Hello Sushi Lovers Namaste and greeting from Sushi Man Santosh. Today in this step-by-step sushi recipe video, I'm gonna show you how to roll beautiful sushi with extra looks. Are you guys ready? Let's go. Here I'm gonna use 2 half nori sheet. It is the full nori sheet I cut in the middle. After that it's became a half. And it is green fresh chips. It's called in Portuguese cibolino. And some people call also spring onion. But it is not a real spring onion. It's a fresh green chips. And it is the sake salmon. Especially that is the belly part. I will make equal size with nori. So I'm gonna cut both sides and will put top of the nori. After that, I'll put fresh chips in the middle of salmons as you can see on the video. Then after I'll roll very carefully. Okay, here I finished my first task. And now I will place rice on the rough side of the nori with gently. Don't press too much. It should be soft and fluffy. I'm leaving here 2 fingers, so let's see it will work or not. If not, I have to take some little rice. After finished all of this, I'm gonna put this rolled salmons with fresh chips in the middle of sushi rice. Then I will roll it very carefully, same as like that ones, as you can see in the video. Okay, here you can see rice level is little more, so I have to take out, otherwise it cannot look equal neck by neck. Okay, then time to roll for closing part. Now I will cut my beautiful sushi roll and will make pretty and beautiful plating. Hope you will enjoy with this plating as well. Please don't skip. And this is how I do my plating. I'll add tiny cream cheese on the top of the sushi rolls. And this is a green malageta, green chili pepper, but I'm taking out the seeds. For final touch, I love to put orange tobiko. Tobiko means the away from flying fish. So the combination of color will be perfect. I love these color combinations. Yes, this is my beautiful and extra sushi roll. Do you like it? Thank you so much for watching this video guys. Stay safe, stay healthy. Have a nice day.